cooperative virtual learning experience, from embryo to chick. For today's lesson, I'm going to build a brooder, or a temporary home for the chicks to move into once they are ready to be removed from the incubator. This home must provide the requirements necessary to sustain life, which include food, water, shelter, and warmth. Typically, the mother hen will do the best it can to provide protection and warmth. However, since I am the mother hen in this situation, I am responsible for providing these critical elements. So let's get started building a brooder.
There are many ways to build a brooder. However, the requirements for all brooders are the same. First, you need something that will contain the chicks, providing enough floor space for them to move around freely. The required space will vary based on the number of chicks in the brooder. You would rather provide the chicks with too much space than not enough. Also, you want a container that helps reduce drafts of air that could cool the chicks. I prefer using a container with tall sides. Second, you need to provide the chicks with a non-slick bedding. A slick bedding can cause the chicks to develop spraddle legs. I'm going to use a small dog pee pad with paper towels placed on top of it. Third, we must provide the chicks with food and water. So I will place a waterer and feeder inside the brooder. For the waterer, I will place clean marbles or small rocks large enough that the chicks can't eat them inside of it. This allows chicks to drink from the water without accidentally drowning in it. The fourth and final requirement is a heat source. The brooder should maintain a temperature of 95 degrees Fahrenheit during the first week. Then the temperature should decrease by 5 degrees each week until room temperature is reached.
Well, I have successfully built a brooder, or a temporary home for the chicks when they're ready to come out of the incubator. I hope you have learned some beneficial information today. Unfortunately, the candling photos and videos since day 6 have not turned out very well, so I'm unable to share that footage with you. But the chicks will be arriving soon, which is super exciting. I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you so much for joining me, and have a wonderful day.